So ASCO's value framework really takes it back to what we really do for patients. So right now what happens is that the cost of the drugs has to cover the cost of a lot of things that we do for the patient that are not reimbursed. So this really takes back so that the cost of getting the patient information, the cost of following up on the patient, the cost of clinical trials, all those costs that are currently not covered are helped by this new value framework and trying to make sure that we can improve the outcome for patients. Well, you know, the information that we give to patients right now has very little cost information. And so the value calculators tries to put together what's the outcome for that specific regimen or treatment, what's the cost of that drug, what are the side effects of those drugs, and compares it to a standard of care. In that way, it helps the patient and the physician to have shared decision making. Well, I think, you know, MACRA gets right that we should get away from fee-for-service. I think we need to be able to make sure that we're providing care to patients and in an organized fashion, quality-based, but not necessarily having it in a fee-for-service fashion, which has some unintended consequences sometimes of you get paid for what you do. And so I think that part is right. It's just a matter of how do we define that, how do we improve upon that to make sure that we can still get everything paid for.